In this video, you're going to describe each of the marked angles below. For example, 33 degrees could be written as BEC. Notice it also could be written as CEB. Now, in any order, it doesn't matter which order you do these in. So we'll start with 38, which is this angle here. So we could write that as DAE. But there are other possibilities. We could write it as DAC or CAD, and also we could also write it as EAD. 42 degrees we're going to write as BAE, but we could have also written BAC, but there are other possibilities, and the other way round, as long as A is in the middle. 15 degrees, which is this one here. You could pause the video here and see if you can label it for yourself. I'm going to label it as CDE or EDC. 147, which is this angle here. I'm going to write it as CED, or you could write it as DEC, as long as the E is in the middle. And finally, 27, going to label as ABE, or I could label it as ABD, or these could be the other way around, as long as the letter B is in the middle. So this has been a video to show you how to label angles according to vertices of a shape. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.